Hello guys, today we're gonna make some banana bread. Here are the ingredients we need. We will start by mixing the butter with sugar until it's really creamy. Then after we add the beaten eggs until it's really soft. Here we add half quantity of the flour to avoid having a very hard composition. And then we add the baking powder and the vanilla extract. Here I had some vanilla paste, but it does the same. You'll have the same results. Here we add the mashed bananas. When you mash the bananas, please make sure you'll get a liquidy texture. And last but not the least, we add the remaining flour. Here I have a greased tray and then I added the flour to avoid the thickness of the bread. We will add the composition in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Here I prepare the icing by adding water over icing sugar. You can add more water if you want it more liquidy. And after the bread is cooled down, you can pour it over and then cut in slices. Please don't forget to subscribe, and here we have the final result, and let me know in the comments if you tried it out.